Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: 8 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equal to 130. Now 8 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x minus 130. We brought this left hand side equal to 0. Now this 8 can be written as 2 power 3 whole power x plus 2 power x minus 130 equal to 0. Now a power m whole power n equal to a power m times n equal to a power n whole power m. We are interchanging this power, so we'll get 2 power x whole power 3 plus 2 power x minus 130 equal to 0. Let us consider 2 power x equal to y. So y power 3 plus y minus 130 equal to 0. 130 can be written as 130 equal to 26 times of 5. Same way, this y can be written as y equal to 26y minus 25y. So now we are going to apply this y value here. So y power 3 plus 26y minus 25y minus 130 equal to 0. Now just we are changing this y power 3 minus 25y plus 26y minus 130 equal to 0. Now we are going to take y from common from this. So y open bracket, the remaining 2y y square minus 25, y goes out. So close bracket plus here we are going to take 26 common, 26 open bracket y minus, here we know that 26 times of 5, so y minus 5 equal to 0. Now y open bracket y square minus 5 square plus 26 open bracket y minus 5 equal to 0. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. So we are going to apply this here. Y open bracket y plus 5 y minus 5 close bracket plus 26 open bracket y minus 5 equal to 0. Now we are able to see that y minus 5 here, we are going to take common out. So y minus 5 common open bracket. So y, this y plus 5 close the bracket, this plus 26. Now we have taken this y minus 5 out. So close bracket equal to 0. Now we are able to see that y minus 5 1, this in this bracket y into y is y square plus 5y plus 26 equal to 0. Now y minus 5 equal to 0. This is one equation. Other equation is y square plus 5y plus 26 equal to 0. We have two equations here. So now left hand side y equal to 5. This is the one solution. Now in this here a equal to 1, b equal to this 5, c equal to this 26. Now we are going to apply this formula, b square minus 4ac. So b is 5 square minus 4 times of 1 times of c is 26. Now 5 square is 25 minus this is 104. Now minus this minus 79, which is less than 0. So no real solution from this solution. We are considering y equal to 5. Y equal to 5. Now recall 2 power x equal to y. Now we are applying 2 power x equal to this y value is 5. Now to find the x, we are going to apply log on both sides. Log 2 power x equal to log 5. Therefore, we know log power formula, log m power p equal to p log m. Now we are going to apply this here. X log 2 equal to log 5. Now we are going to divide on both sides by log 2 by log 2 here. This log 2 cancels this, so we have x equal to log 5 by log 2. Now log a by log b equal to log a base b. We are going to apply this here. So x equal to log 5 base 2. This is the x value. Now we are going to find this value in other step. Step 2. Now 2 power x equal to 5. Now take a log on both sides. This log have base 5. So log 2 power x base 5 equal to log 5 base 5. Now we are going to apply power log formula here. X log 2 base 5 equal to log 5 base 5. We know that this formula log a base a equal to 1. Now we are going to apply this. X log 2 base 5 equal to 1. X log 2 base 5 equal to 1. Now we are going to divide by log 2 base 5 on both sides. So log 2 base 5 by log 2 base 5. This log 2 base 5 cancels. This log 2 base 5 cancels. So we have x equal to 1 by log 2 base 5. Just change this, it will come here. So x equal to log 5 base 2. This is the other step. We got same solution. Check with the equation 8 power x plus 2 power x equal to 130. 8 power log 5 base 2 plus 2 power log 5 base 2 equal to 130. Now this 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 log 5 base 2 plus 2 to the power of log 5 base 2 equal to 130. 2 power, according to the log power formula, this comes here. So 2 power log 5 power 3 base 2 plus 2 log 5 base 2 130. Now we know that a power log b base a equal to b. We are going to apply this formula here and here. So based on this formula, 5 power 3 plus here it is 5 equal to 130. This 5 power 3 is plus 5 equal to 130. So this comes 125 plus 5 equal to 130. Now 130 equal to 130. So LHS equal to RHS. Thus verify. This is the solution.